My name is George Totolos with Horizon Robotics. I'm a business development manager covering our autonomous driving solutions. For this demo, we are demonstrating Navnet, which is our localization and mapping solution. So here in my hand, I'm holding a Matrix 1.7, and how we use it in this application is we have just one single camera facing on the front of the car, and we can actually generate a point cloud map without lidar. And so this point cloud map, in conjunction with data from the car's GPS and odometer, we can actually localize where the car is in the environment, as well as mapping it out. And in addition, since it is a camera, we can identify and classify the different important features that you might need in a live update situation. So the intention of this application is a crowdsourced, real-time mapping update, looking at things such as changes in lane markings, construction zones, moving around of street signs, and everything like that. So if you want to find out more information about Navnet or Horizon Robotics in general, please visit www.horizon.ai.